Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to beat the Tower of Hell. The most hardest game that anyone cannot beat. Oh, sorry guys, that's too much. Okay, so we're going to have to type in Tower of Hell. Make sure it's all correctly, Tower of Hell. So easy to say, but I'm going to be showing you how to beat the Tower of Hell so easy that you cannot fall off. I might fall multiple times, but that still doesn't count. But still, you might be saying, how do you actually beat it if it's not that easy? I'm sorry for copyright music though. Probably that's too much to not let. I think I lowered it down. I hope you guys can hear that, but I don't think you guys can hear it. I can't remember if you can actually hear it. But guys, I'm gonna show you how to beat the Tower of Hell. So easy. I'm so newbie. I got my newbie account still, so I play Roblox to make some videos, and oh my gosh, okay, we died multiple times, but that still doesn't count. We gotta keep going. This is not too good. This is not too bad, but I still gotta do this. So, guys, you might be saying, how do you actually do that? I mean, the liberator just died right there. I mean, I could actually, yep, I died right there because the freaking girl was in my way, so probably I couldn't go. I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm just saying, if girls in my way, probably that's too much. So, guys, I'm on my other account I just made, it's just so cool. I probably sound like a boy, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, guys! Both of us actually literally just jumped at the same time. Probably she has to move for a second, and probably we get away with it. My camera always move around so weirdly because I can't freaking really do it that good. But we have to continue and see if we can actually get to that. I'm serious, guys, because every video I make, it's like literally the Tower of Hell. It's so bad, I cannot beat it. Okay, guys, I can't freaking beat the Tower of Hell. We're gonna just try again, okay? I'm gonna show you how to beat the Tower of Hell for all. But, if this game gets over by a minute, we're gonna have to just, I don't know what to do. We got to get to the end for really, because I can't really beat it, and we have this. Guys, I know Tower of Hell is the most hardest game that no one can freaking get to the top. It takes time to get to the top though. So that's the truth is you cannot get to the top because it takes time. It really always takes time because you cannot get to the top. It takes time. So that's how you can't go to the top because it takes time. I just really want to get to the end so I can actually get some stuff. Probably it's a long video. Probably I won't actually do this too much, but come on, we gotta do this for real. And guys, I'm so sorry. This video is a lot too bad than I thought it was. Probably I won't make no videos, but probably we have to do this. Okay, if this not gonna work, probably gonna do something else. I don't know. In the next video. So guys, please plan for me. Please actually put in the comments what next video I should make because I have no ideas what I should make. So I'm gonna show you how. Look, actually, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually beat this. So you guys, it's serious. I mean, there's a lot of bad things. But I'm trying to get to the end to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I was so close. But guys, I'm trying to show you guys to get to the end because this game is literally the hardest game. I'll actually talk. Probably this guy will learn his lesson not to actually make a hard game because a hard game is pretty hard. I can't freaking do it, but nobody can do it. Nobody can freaking get to the end because of the game. Probably people say, oh my god, I can't make it. I can't make it. Okay, so first of all, people are crying over this game because it's so hard. Guys, please don't cry over a game. It's just Roblox game. That's how the game makes. You can't actually be sad over a game. Because if the game is very, very hard, why are you actually playing it? Okay, the guy actually made it. I don't know how, but my boy, don't speed it. I have to yell. I don't know if you can hear the copyright music. I think I can't really hear because I've turned it down. Turned down all the way down, so probably you can't hear me, or probably you can't hear the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but I don't think that you guys can. I really think that you guys can, but I don't think I can't really hear it. Guys, the hard part is like literally you gotta be able to get between these. You have to get a little bit between those, but it's not gonna happen, guys. So next round, hopefully it's easy, and we're gonna show you guys the real deal. Over. Look! So sorry, guys. I can't actually get to the end, but we can. I'm gonna try our best how to get to the end. I'm serious. Okay, probably my camera will actually shut off for a second, so probably we're gonna just stop. Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, keep watching the video. I don't think we have time. I think we have time. Oh my god! So close! Okay, we have time. Yes, guys. So we have time. Hopefully this next one is pretty easy. That we can just actually do it. So, okay, this is a real deal. I'm not lying, guys. This is a literally. Okay, I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm just gonna say that. Oh my gosh, no! Guys, if you hate this game, please, I'll link it, and you probably dislike it. And probably talk to the guy in the group and tell him your game actually is too hard that no one can get to the end. Well, someone actually did, but nobody can't freaking get to the okay, guys, so I have an example. How do we actually die right there? I'm not crying though, but I have an example. How can we actually get to the end? Probably we can't get to the end, but we're just gonna see. This is like the most hardest game I've ever seen. For example, what if you guys have played this game once? This girl's literally like me. Oh my gosh, guys! We were so close. I don't know how we actually managed to actually do that, but I guess we have to end the video. Probably I might not show you, but the next video, the part 2, I will be showing you the real deal. The real deal. So, bye guys. I'm sorry for the mess up. My recording is gonna actually shut off for a little bit and got charged a little bit. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.